Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, I'm going to show you outside. So last night we had a snowstorm. So this is here in Canada. This is what it looks like. In the back we had about 25 centimeters of snow last night, and I will be shoveling the snow today. Unfortunately I won't be. This is the shovel. So unfortunately I'll be using just one hand to do this. So you see how thick it is. So the good thing is that the snow is fluffy. So guys, this is about 25 centimeters of snow. I'm using one hand. I just need to clear the back. In case of emergency, you want to always have a good clearing. You don't want to get stuck in your house, so it's good to always shovel. So this is something my husband would have done, but I don't mind doing it. So this is why I like to just get it done on my own. Sometimes I tell him not to do it just so I could go outside and do it. I like shoveling the snow. Okay. We're not going to use the drill, so I'm going to just put this here. And I'm doing all of this with one hand. It's not so hard to do, but because I'm using one hand, it's a little bit difficult. So guys, good morning, give thanks for life. You give God thanks for life. Thank him for waking us up this morning, for putting us in the right state of mind, for bringing calmness and tranquility to our life. Give thanks. Thank him for everything, especially the small things. Done doing this portion of the deck. Okay, now I have to do the stairs. Try doing this with one hand. This is not how I usually do it because it's a little bit hard doing it with one hand, but I'm just showing you. Hey guys. Final one. This is how deep it is. Oh my gosh. You know what? Ooh. Ooh. Guys, I'm done. During the winter, we don't usually use the back gate, especially when it's snowing a lot. So it's not that important to take the snow out, but I just did some clearing, especially on the deck, and you just want a little pathway, so if anything you could run away or walk through. So that's basically it for the back. I'm going to go to the front and I'm going to show you how I get it done. So this is it for the day, guys, as for the back goes. So guys, I'm going to show you what at the front looks like. This is the front yard. I'm going to be showing you how I get. So this morning, earlier, we did this portion, but we didn't take out everything, so I'm just going to be using my hand out. So guys, I only get to do this portion maybe later or never. That's a lot of snow, so my husband will do the rest of the driveway with the snow blower. All I could have done, I did the stairway down to the walkway, and I did my neighbors. So guys, this is it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a blessed weekend. Bye.